Hi everyone, I'm going to talk about the fastest train in Sri Lanka, which is the Powerset Class S13. Has a powerful Cummins QSK50 engine, and it has a speed of 129 km per hour and a horsepower of 1800. As this train is used in Nepal, it is the fastest train in Nepal as well, with a speed of 110 km per hour as well as a horsepower of 1600.
If you like playing computer games like GTA and want to know about it, you can refer to the GTA Inside Fan YouTube channel, which is conducted by one of our beloved subscribers. So, you can refer to the link below, subscribe to that channel and watch the videos.
The Class S13 is a crucial component of modern rail transport in Sri Lanka, renowned for its speed and amenities on key intercity routes. These diesel-electric multiple unit or DEMU train sets were manufactured by India's Integral Coach Factory, ICF, and imported through an Indian line of credit, showcasing a successful example of the Make in India initiative adapted for Sri Lankan needs. Each Class S13 unit is a powerful machine, propelled by a robust Cummins QSK50 diesel engine capable of producing 1,800 horsepower. With a speed of 129 km per hour, the S13 DEMU is used for journeys like the Uttara Devi high-speed train from Colombo Fort to KKS, Balu Kumari Express train from Maradana to Beli Atta, Wani Regina train from Kilanachi to Beli Atta, KKS high-speed train, Ruvunu Kumari semi-intercity train, Pulathizi intercity train from Colombo Fort to Batticaloa, and many high-speed journeys. The train is used in Nepal along the Jainagar-Kurtha Bangaha corridor, connecting India and Nepal via Nepal's first broad-gauge railway. The route currently spans approximately 52 kilometers, with daily round-trip trips moving hundreds of passengers across the border efficiently. The service represents a major infrastructure upgrade, supporting regional trade and connectivity while using modern, fuel-efficient engines designed for demanding operating environments. So, guys, these trains are used in 2 countries. We talked about the fastest train in Sri Lanka as well as Nepal. So, Sri Lankan friends, hope you know about the train, and if you know more, comment in the post that I shared 6 days ago. So, thank you for watching this video. Let's meet again in another video about a train. Watch the playlist as well. Make sure to subscribe to my channel.